Group inboxes are used if you would like to set up voicemail for hunt groups. To access group inboxes on your phone, dial 550. Then you need to enter the group inbox retrieval code followed by the hash key. To configure group inboxes, navigate to Function Numbers. Then select Group Inboxes. You can either select an existing group inbox, or you can click on the Create New Group Inbox hyperlink. You will need to enter a phone number in the What is the phone number for this group field, or you can click on the List Available Numbers link and select a number from the list. Enter the name of the group. You can choose to not include this group inbox in the contacts search by ticking the checkbox here. This number here is the retrieval code to access to this mailbox. This is entered when calling into the group voicemail number and will only work if you are a member of an authorized group. If you tick the box to allow anonymous callers to listen for messages after PIN authentication, then other users can call into the group inbox and enter the details of an authenticated user to clear the mailbox. You can select the pre-configured greeting prompt from the drop-down selection. Please see the Voice Prompts training segment for more information on how to configure voice prompts. Tick the boxes next to the user groups that are members of this group inbox. The last two options will give you a notification that you have messages via either an SMS, if you have that feature set up, or email. You would then access the group voicemail to listen to messages. Select the Add Group button. Tick the box of the group to add. Then click on the Add button. Click on the Save button to save the group inbox's configuration.